Many times document authors need to edit PDF documents that contain more sophisticated layout. Typically this means going back to edit the original word processing document, assuming you can still find it and that it's up to date with the latest edits, then handing it off to the designer who will update the document using page layout software, and then finally converting it to PDF. With Foxit Phantom PDF, you can skip those steps and edit the content and layout directly in the PDF document, quickly and easily. Let's demonstrate this process by looking at this brochure, which contains 2 titles and 3 columns of text underneath them. My goal is to add text to the second column and then have that text reflow across the third column without the reflow text affecting the position of the title. So how do I do this? I first click on the Edit tab and then on the Edit Text button. You can see that Phantom PDF has identified 3 text blocks with the first and third blocks containing the 2 titles. Next, I want to split the text in the third text blocks to exclude the title. To do this, I click on the Link and Join Text button, and then I click on the text block, and finally I click on the Split button, which splits the text up into the title and the 2 individual paragraphs. Now I want to join together the 2 individual paragraphs in the third column together, without including the title. To do this, I click on the 2 text blocks to join, then I click on the Join button to join them together. The last step is to link the 3 columns together so the text reflows from the first column through the second and onto the third. To do this, I click on the text blocks to link together. Then I click on the Link button. Now I add a sentence into the second column, and then the text will reflow across to the third column. I can do this by first closing the Join and Split tab, and then click on the Edit Text button. Now I click on the location where I want to add my new sentence, then type in the new text. As you can see, the text has reflowed into the third column without disrupting the location of the title. I can also change the layout of the document. I can increase the margins of the text block by putting the cursor over the square on its edge and then expanding or contracting the size of the text block. I can also move the text block by putting the cursor over the text block's edge and then dragging and dropping it into its new location. If you need further assistance editing PDF documents, please contact Foxit Support 24/7.